Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn numbers. We will be tracing all these numbers and find these missing ones. Let us get started. We will do the color names. This is light green color. This is blue color. This is purple color. This is red color. This is dark green color. This is brown color. Let us get started. 1. Number 1. What comes after number 1? 2. Number 2. This is 3. Number 3. What comes after number 3? 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. What comes after number 5? 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7. What comes after number 7? 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. What comes after number 9? 10. Number 10. This is 11. Number 11. What comes after number 11? 12. Number 12. This is 13. Number 13. What comes after number 13? 14. Number 14. This is number 15. Number 15. Thank you kids for tracing all these numbers with me. I hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.